Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my full body mostly standing workout. Right now I will just be doing my exercise. I want to keep track of it. I don't want to just leave the exercise thing to the side, so I feel I have to keep it going. Hey, let's go. So guys, this is me just doing a bit of warm up here. I wanted to get my blood flowing and pumping. It was cold. So yeah, I've already started doing my exercise. I'm doing elbow to knee plus squats. And once I put on my headphones, I don't know, I just feel happy. It keeps me like hyped. I have good vibes. I'm trying to motivate myself, and I think I don't overdo it, because some of you may know I did surgery, open myomectomy, some months ago, and I have decided that I'll just do enough to keep me moving, to keep my blood flowing, to keep my calories, burn high. I want to keep burning my calories. I don't want to lose the momentum that I have right now. And yeah, exercise makes me happy. But before I get to do the exercise, I feel like, I don't want to do this again. I have to literally mentally force myself to get up and go do it. But once I get started, I am happy. But anyway, yeah, so I did take a break, had a bit of water. This exercise is what I like doing, this particular one right now. It's like my filler exercise, if you know what I mean. Like, if I'm about to do a hard one, I'll do this first, or after I've done a hard exercise, I'll take a break with this side to side that I'm doing. But anyway, so here I'm doing my pull or knee to elbow tap. Yeah, this one is the one that I might go to. This is the equivalent of when people do jump in place, or march in place. That's it. So it's the exercise I do in between exercise. Also, this one, I love any exercise that if I jump, some kind of breeze goes, especially once my blood is pumping, I'm feeling the heat, I'm feeling the vibe. Once I hop and jump and some air comes into my skin, I just love it. I don't like jumping itself, but the feeling of in the air somehow makes me happy. Yeah. At this point, I'm already sweating. I've done over 30 minutes. I'm just speeding it up, skipping some exercise. do my, what do you call it? Climb. Let's go. I don't like this one. I don't like this exercise. I won't lie. This is not my favorite. Okay, let me continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm going to sit. Let me get the Russian twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many can I do? 7, 8. My stomach. I'm getting pulls. Guys, that's it for today. So I will see you guys in my next video.